Morning guys, and welcome to this video. We are in Mexico and today we are going to do beach cleaning. Some scientists predicted that by 2050 there will be more plastic than fish in the oceans. This is terrible, right? What's happening is that with the high tide, some of the plastic that sits on the beaches ends up in the oceans. So that's terrible, right? This is one of the reasons why beach cleaning is so important. Another terrible fact is that almost all marine wildlife have microplastic in their bodies. Plastic just stays there. So microplastic or plastic takes them to a sure death. So today we are going to share some information with you. Let's go.
I've dedicated years traveling to some incredible places. I'm Alex Beldi and I'm a wildlife photographer. Beauty on Art Project, it is a tribute to the planet, where I hope, through photography, to convey the beauty of the species and the place they have in the world, and try to help protect them, but also show the impact we have on them and their habitat. Support the project by choosing a membership on Patreon. If you are new on this channel and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe. Thank you very much.
So we'll also collect the smaller pieces of plastic, not only the bottles and bigger things.
Unfortunately, sea turtles are affected by trash and plastic during every stage of their life. When we reached the turtle, we found this awful situation. She had this heavy rope tangled to her hind flipper. The heavy rope cut into her flipper so deep that it was holding on the bone. Please notice how deep is the injury.
Little pieces are terrible. It just stays there. So just gets smaller pieces, and then the wildlife mistake them for food. So, terrible. This is a iguana skin right here.
In case you'd like to learn more about spiny-tailed iguanas, please check this previous documentary. Please find the link in the description below.
So here I am with Che.
Estamos haciendo la limpieza de la basura que se encuentra en la playa de Boca de Tomates. Estamos tratando de retirar desde los pequeños plásticos hasta plásticos grandes para apoyar en este momento que es temporada de anidación de tortuga marina y evitar que tengan algún contratiempo en su anidación. Tener playas limpias para su cuidado. Esa es la idea más que nada, ayudar a nuestras playas y nuestro ecosistema.
Muy bien, gracias por lo que haces. Guys, we only have one planet to take care of, right? If we treat it that way,
I'll walk all of the miles you want me to walk. Embracing the mist in my arms, I'll be waiting till the day comes, wrapping my tears with steel.
Here we found a sea turtle nest, assaulted by predators.
okay, so right now we'll do a demonstration of
Retiramos toda la materia orgánica. Como ves, hay pequeños unicel pequeño que ya queda aquí. Uniceles que se hacen pequeños.
Sí.
La marea sube hasta donde está la zona de la materia orgánica. Entonces, todo este material que es muy ligero se lo lleva, está flotando en la superficie, el pez se lo come porque piensa que es alimento y pues termina adhiriéndose a su cuerpo. Muchos de los organismos son bioacumuladores, entonces todo material químico que tengan plásticos o unicel se adhiere a su cuerpo. Entonces lo que estamos comiendo en este tiempo, pescando, lo que al final de cuentas están alimentando es de plástico. Como está del tamaño exacto y de la coloración blanca, que por lo general son semillas, se lo comen, llama mucho la atención. Igual los peces hacen lo mismo.
they get really, really small, and all the marine wildlife eat them, and they die because of this.
Oh wow, un otro.
So there is another turtle nest here, very close to the water, and close to it there is a lot of rubbish. So it's so sad to see it. Aquí no estábamos muy... I hope the message was clear and it will help to share some awareness. We do need to keep all these natural places clean, you know, as they should be. We should respect more the natural environment and we should take care of them. We are all in this together. So please keep the beaches clean. Thank you.
Ciao bimbi, come state? Oggi vorrei condividere con voi un testo di Jane Goodall che ho già condiviso in un documentario precedente, però credo che sia molto importante ricordarlo. You cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Jane Goodall. And remember, never give up on your dreams. Bye! If you find this documentary is useful and you would like to stay updated, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.